have TNT. Boom! Hello guys, it's me Sanko and welcome back to the Happy New Year 2023. And today they added new Legos and today we got this Lego Minecraft. This set have 65 pieces. That old episode from 2022, but that set is called T-Rex Breakout. It has 1,212 pieces. So let's open. Oh. Whoa. Ouch, my finger, ouch. And aww, it's Frog. Rabbit. I'm making Frog. Look at this. You can see there's a frog. I thought it's a lot more bigger. It's small. How cute he is. It's the first time I got a Lego frog. Okay, get a scissor. Thank you, Mommy. Okay. Please do not cut your fingers. Do not try this at home, okay? Or that will cause bleeding, breaking bones. You gotta use carefully because there's a sharp edges in here. Okay, let's.
Oh, look at this cute, adorable frog. Look at this. Rabbit.
Look at this print. And I see his eye. So let's build. First, let's build an Alex. Have TNT. Boom. Where's the F? Oh, you need this. That has hole, okay? It's for use for TNT. It's for you can play with these TNT. That's absolutely adorable set. You see, that's what I talk about. This is why, you see, as you can see, this frog. Rabbit.
Boy.
In the game, this flower named Blue occurred. Let's do it like this. And ta-da! This is a frog, but the instructions said there you need this frog, but it says you need to put the frog like this. We're gonna making a vines. No. Oh. Here we go. It's so beautiful. It's the most beautiful Lego sets I ever seen. Ooh. Oh, I forgot. Okay, let's make a zombie. Okay. Ouch. Ow. Let's make it TNT. Boom. Finish. This is TNT tree. The most cutest part I ever seen is this insect eating amphibian frog. In Japanese we call kaeru. Let's put it right here, just like on a game. Okay, so I have another set. I didn't buy. I make it with myself. Dun. And inside, you need to open like this. Oh, okay. This is how to build. This is a bit different. And this is new. Look, you need to use like that. Use like this. Oh, just like this. Oh. Ouch. is the Lego set. And it's cute when you decorate with this Lego frog.
Ribbit, ribbit.
How to cut this again? Look, do it like this maybe. I don't know. Maybe it will fit a frog fit. It is. It is. It can fit. I can see the pieces inside. Thanks for building together. And this looks cool. And until next time, it's me, Dr. Sakun. Happy New Year out!